Welcome to the next lecture. In this lecture, we will prove sine rule. If you look at this triangle, we are using the similar notations. Angles are written in capital letters A, B, C, and the sides are written in small letters. Also, small a is opposite to angle capital A, and so on and so forth. So, what is sine rule? The sine rule is we need to prove A over the ratio between side A and sine A is equal to ratio between side B divided by sine B, and this must be equal to ratio between C and sine C. Okay, in order to prove this one, we need to split this triangle into two right angle triangle where this perpendicular line will have common for both the triangles. So let's do that. So this is the first triangle and this is the second triangle, and let me denote the common side known for both of them as H, right? So we have now two right angle triangles, blue one and the orange one, right? So we are trying to prove sine rule, so we can use the sine trigonometric ratio, which is sine equal opposite over hypotenuse. So let me write it down. So sine theta is equal opposite over hypotenuse, right? In this equation we can make opposite subject. How can we make opposite? So opposite equal hypotenuse times sine theta, right? So we are going to use this equation here. So in the blue triangle, the opposite is H, right? And hypotenuse is A. Therefore, we can write H equal A times sine B, right? This is coming from this formula, right? Now we can write the same thing for the orange triangle. If you take the orange triangle, the angle is A, the opposite side is H, and the hypotenuse is B. So in the orange triangle, H equal B sine A. Again, we are using the same formula, right? So now we have two equations and these two sides are equal, right? So therefore we can write A sine B must be equal to B sine A. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to divide both of them by AB, A times B, A times B. If you divide, so the A and A will cancel, and here B and B will be cancelled. So this says that sine B over B equal sine A over A. So we can actually flip this equation. So that will give us B over sine B equal to A over sine A. And we can use the same technique to prove that this is again equal to C over sine C. Thank you. Now move on to next proof.